Yeah. Plus it has brightening effects. So who wouldn't want to use this product? Technique. Right? This is where I advise
Collagen for
people
eyes.
trying out new products to always listen to what we tell you and how to inject it. You see doctors who think, oh, I know everything already and I don't want to listen to you. But for every specific product, there is a reason why it's dot, dot. You don't do this. You don't do that because that's where bumps come in. And it's robust enough that no matter what you do, it doesn't flatten out. That already tells you that there is structural support with it. You would probably need to do more things. But I tell patients, it's okay, if I make a mistake, it'll disappear in 6 to 8 months. But seriously, I would use a very high RF, maybe just to correct, if ever. There's still a solution to this. So this is would start with 0.5 to 1 mil. So that becomes 1.5 mil. And per eye, it's going to be 0.7, more or less, 0.7 per side. I use a gauge 38 50 millimeter cannula, and you just fix it well. The product has lidocaine, so you don't actually need to numb the area or what. Right? And it's a dual plate technique. That means you do superficial, and it's dot, 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 and a deeper plate before and after photo. This is my patient, and this is patient 2, meaning she's the suspected with 423 patients, and they did find that almost 92% responded with this, and only see that 99% didn't have any problems. Only 1% had a problem, and they were all very transient. That's what they saw. With using a Luciderm with lidocaine, we do know that it is there's a high and lasting efficacy, almost 6 to 8 months for the first session. Thereafter, maybe in the end, it will be 9 to 12, and the second event to it. Because it has lidocaine, it's very comfortable to do. And what's important, it's for me, it's opaque and there's no potential for the Tyndall effect. So if you scan this, it will open up